All mixing hummingbird sugar water, huh?
Sugar water, yep. Down through like a guaca, guaca. Ooh, cookie.
You're enjoying that cheese, are you?
Watch this.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Good, is it?
Mm-hmm. Bring on the
What's your foot doing on the table? Did you hit your toes?
hit my foot.
You getting it all off your fingers? There's some more down there in the cheese. It's not empty. Yeah. Let me see you do that again. You like that cheese, don't you, Zach? Let me see what you did. What? Paul getting your sugar? Look out, look out. No, you got a towel. Look out, Zach. Ah, look out. Look out. You love, you love Paul? Huh?
Did you know you are a doofus? Doofus. Like me, not very smart.
Oh.
What are you doing exactly, Hammer?
Two.
What's he doing?
What are you doing to the bologna, darling? Eating it.
Look at the plate. What's with that?
I don't know.
You better put a plate in that food.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it off now. Say bye. Y'all wave bye.
Bye.
Paul smoking a cigarette. Okay,
Goodbye. Cut it off.
okay.
Go.
Where are we going, Pat?
I'm gonna go down about there. I think I'm down.
He's about dead.
Oh, he thinks he's... What are you doing to that bologna? Did it go?
Killing it.
That, don't play with that food and eat it right. Look at that food.
Where's your plate you had, sugar?
Right there, with a hole in the cheese and the bread. Come on and get this.
A hole in
I want to show his mama that plate.
it? Where? He hid it. Trying to hide it. Why are you hiding your plate? Move over, Zach.
That
Paul
can
wants
be
to
on
show
your
it.
phone now, and I don't go on you more.
Where's your plate? Huh?
Zach, where's the top of this?
I don't know.
You took it off?
I got
Put
it.
it back on the right way.
I got it.
Ew.
You better eat your... What'd you do to your sandwich, Zach?
You're trying to get out of eating that bread, don't tell your mama.
What?
You're trying to get out of eating that bread. You're supposed to eat the bread with the sandwich.
My mom said that I don't have to, but
What Daddy Court say though? He said eat everything on your plate, and that's what you're supposed to do.
yeah, but if the bread's hard.
Exactly, Hyman, it is not hard. Knock you out. You worse than Michael Paul ever dared to be. You're gonna be another Lucas. If you turn into a Lucas, your mother will give you away to the first black man with a cart. comes
That
along.
we love Lucas. He's a heart, all of them. Okay, I think I'll cut it. Think I'll cut it off this time, okay?
That's when you better down, probably.
Zach, your mama's gonna have a fit that day in court when she you eat that bologna that way. Is it that good? Look at that. Daddy Court's gonna say, Zach! You better.
Well, call and see if they took his truck over there.
Okay.
Why?
Oh, he's supposed to take it over and leave it for us.
Okay. Okay, this is the end. Okay, doke. Bye bye now. This time.
Wait.
You shouldn't do that, because then Cotton will see that. She'll want to act like that at the table.
Bye bye.
She ain't gonna be watching it. I'll kick her over the house.
Bye bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.
Okay. You're on here again.
Jack, turn around and eat.
Hard.
Jack, you're going to get your tail with
Uh-oh.
it.
He did it, Jack.
Don't waste that stuff. That's pure cheese. That's not cheese food.
If it's not cheese food, I don't like it.
You eat cheese anywhere in the world.
Food.
But that's not cheese food. That's pure cheese. You eat the heck out of it.
Yeah, because it's better.
Look at y'all arguing.
Sugar.